got the pigeons, the city pigeons coming in for landing at the grain trucks. They'll circle around like this for a couple times, then they'll land, and then they'll circle around, and then they'll land. One of the other grain trucks just came in, and these pigeons were following the grain trucks. These are grain trucks that feed the chickens. They landed again. Let's see if they take off. Looks like they're settled in for now. They did this about 3 times. Landed on this truck, circle around, start to land, circle around, land, take off again, circle around. Oh, they're doing it again. I guess they're scanning the area for danger. Then landing, taking a little bit of the grain and then taking off and landing again. First time I ever saw the pigeons on the grain trucks, they just sat there. But I might have pulled up after they were already settled. This is as close as I could get with my phone. Alright, thanks for watching.